Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have a nice day. Has everything been alert?
Already, miss.
Ready, miss.
Before we start today's class, I would like to remind students once again to attend first talk the GFROM that I gave in Google Classroom. Alright, everything is here. So, in today's lesson, we will discuss material about linear equation system. For reference, I have included the Google Classroom so that you can see this material again when the class has ended. Previously, I have shared in PowerPoint. Before I explain about linear equation, I will explain about the learning objective of the material this time, where first, students can understand the concept, understand the application of solution, and understand the form of the solution of a system of linear equation consisting of a two-variable system of linear equation and a three-variable system of linear equations. And the second is students can demonstrate assessment, processing, and reasoning in problem by using appropriate application and technique and following the rules of a linear equation system consisting of the two-variable linear equation system and a three-variable linear equation system with confidence. Before that, take care of your health during this pandemic and don't give up learning in more detail. Practice doing math problems so that we stay in the same condition even though we study online. Okay, now I will explain about linear equation. Linear equation system is a calculation system in mathematics and can be described as a straight line on a graph. The system of linear equation is also called the system of line equation. Now, method of linear equation system. First is substitution. And the second is elimination. Third is combined substitution and elimination. And the last is graphical. But for this lesson, we will only discuss three methods. Okay, let's continue. First is two-variable system of linear equation. And there is general form of a two-variable system of linear equation. Ax plus by equals c and px minus qy equals r. There are the problem example, but before we continue, is there anything you would like to ask?
I miss.
Yes, please.
Do you only need to ask the x and y variables to solve a system of linear equation?
Of course not. Variable x and y, for example, you can use letter other than x and y such as variables a, b, c, d, and so on. And for example, and for variable a, b, c, p, and q are considered constant or number that will satisfy the variable behind the called the coefficients.
Okay, understand.
Yes.
Thank you, miss.
Now, next, I will explain about the example problem. Example 1 is determine the set of solution for the system the following equation. 2x plus 3y equals 13 is the equation first, and the x minus y equals minus 1 is negative 1 is equation of 2. First is substitution. Step 1, change one of the equation in x or y form. From the above equation, we will change equation 2, namely x minus y equals negative 1. So that is becomes x equals negative 1 plus y. And the second is substitution. X equals negative 1 plus y, 2 equals first becomes 2 in a bracket negative 1 plus y plus 3y equals 13. So negative 2 plus 2y plus 3y equals 13. And there is 5y equals 13 plus 2. And then is 5y equals 15. And y equals 3. Okay, for the next step, still using the same method. Does anyone to help me to answer?
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, please.
By substituting y equals 3 into one of the equation, for example, for equation 2, x minus y equals min 1. And then x min 3 equals min 1. And then x equals min 1 plus 3. And last, x equals 2.
Yes, you're excellent, Wanto. What the set of solution?
Yes, ma'am. I'm answer it. It is 2 and 3. 2
Excellent.
and 3.
Oh, excellent.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Furthermore, using elimination. Example is elimination one of variable. For example, the variable x is 2x plus 3y equals 13. And x minus y equals negative 1. And the first equation, we will times 1. And the second equation, we will times 2. There is 2x plus 3y equals 13. And the equation 2 is 2x minus 2y equals negative 2. And there the answer is 5y equals 15. And there the solution, the answer is y equals 3. And can anyone help me to find the x value by elimination method?
Yes, I ma'am.
Okay. Please.
Sorry, ma'am. I want to share screen my answer.
Please.
My answer is eliminating the y variable y equals 3. The first question is 2x plus 3y equals 13, and we times 1, and we get 2x plus 3y equals 13. And the question second is x minus 1 equals minus 1, and we times 3. Two question, and we get 3x minus 3y equals minus 2. And we adding the equation, and we get 5x equals 10, and we get x equals 2.
Yes, you're excellent, Luzwardi. Your answer is right. Okay, now what is the solution?
2 and 3, miss. The answer is the same as the substitution method.
Excellent. Now For the combination method, you can use the combination of elimination and substitution. To shorten your time, you can learn through the reference I have provided. Well, a three-variable linear equation system is the general form of three-variable system of linear equation is a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 z1 equals d1 and a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 z2 equals d2, and the last is a3 x3 plus b3 y3 plus c3 z3 equals d3. The solution can use the same elimination, substitution, and the combination of elimination and substitution method as a two-variable system of linear equation. Okay, next is how to solve a three-variable system of linear equation. And the example problem 2 is complete the following linear equation with the elimination and substitution method. And the equation is x plus 2y plus 3z equals 8. Is the equation first. And the second equation is x minus y plus 2z equals 1. And the third equation is 3x plus y minus z equals 4. And there we can answer the elimination x from equation 1 and 2. X plus 2y plus 3z equals 8 minus x minus y plus 2z equals 1. And we get is 3y plus z equals 7 is the fourth equation. For the example, question 2, can anyone to help me to answer it? You can combine method to get it. Okay, have you got the result? Come on, who want to answer?
I am Miss. Can I do share screen, Miss?
Yes, please.
Okay. First step, we can remove x from equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is x plus 2y plus 3z equals 8. And equation 2 is x minus y plus 2z equals 1. Equation 1 and equation 2 we can subtract. And the result is 3y plus z equals 7. The result is equation 4. Okay, the next step, we can eliminate x from equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 2 is x minus y plus 2z equals 1. In equation 2, we can multiply by 3 to be 3x minus 3y plus 6z equals 3. And equation 3 is 3x plus y minus z equals 4. In equation 3, we can multiply by 1 to be 3x plus y minus z equals 4. In equation 2 and equation 3, we can subtract. The result is minus 4y plus 7z equals minus 1. The result is equation 5. Okay. After that, we find the value of y using equation 5 and equation 4. Equation 4, 3y plus z minus 7. In equation 4, we can multiply by 7 to be 21y plus 7z equals 49. And equation 5 is minus 4y plus 7z equals minus 1. In equation 5, we can multiply by 1 to be minus 4y plus 7z equals minus 1. And in equation 4 and equation 5, we can subtract. And the result, 25y equals 50. Because we want to find the value of y, we can simplify the two sides by dividing by 25. So the value of y is 2.
Okay. For the next, who want to complete the answer of from Kiki?
I ma'am, Miss. Okay, can I show my answer in Zoom? I will share screen now. So I can write a substitute y equals to into equation 4 is 3y plus z equals 7. This is equation 4. So can I write 3 times in the bracket 2 plus z equals to 7. So 3 times in the bracket 2, it is 6. So I can write 6 plus z equals 7. And the result is z equals 1. And next, y equals 2 and z equals 1. So I can substitution to equation x plus 2y plus 3z equals 8. So equals to x plus 2 times 2 plus 3 times 1 equals 8. So the result is 2 times 2 equals 4 and 3 times 1 equals 3. So I can write my answer is x plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. So the result is x equals 8 minus 7 equals 1. And so the set of solution, it is in the bracket of 1, 2, and 1.
Does anyone to comment on the answer given by Kiki and Axel? If not, the discussion of the linear equation system material will end here. And the PowerPoint I will end because the answer of Kiki and Axel is right. Okay, this class is end. And good for your skill in the material for linear equation system, I will provide practice questions that I will upload to Google Classroom. I will give you a deadline for the work until tomorrow at the 12 noon. You can collect the answer in the form that I have created and it will be automatically looked when the deadline is over. Please do the practice question carefully, and it can be concluded that in this class, we discussed a system of linear equation consisting of a two-variable system of linear equation and a three-variable linear equation using methods of elimination, substitution, combined by substitution and elimination. And I think that now for today's lesson, let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin.